What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have a few cases here for the Google Pixel 8 Pro in that beautiful bay blue. And these cases are from Crave. Now you can pick these up down in the description. I'll leave links down to all these cases down in the description. I have three colors here. I have red, blue, and gray. This is the Crave dual guard case, and it's got an ultra slim design, shock absorption, premium quality, precise cutouts, you name it. They're claiming strong, reliable, protective. So we're gonna check these out. First color we're gonna try now. It's a two-piece case, and I'll show you. Let's go with this blue here. And I have up to 9 colors here. This one here, I believe, is the navy blue. So what we'll do is take this out. Now these are not MagSafe, so there's no MagSafe capability, but you can wireless charge your phones. So we're gonna go ahead and put the shell or the phone into the shell, and then you just pop this in. And what this is gonna provide is some pretty good protection, slim and trim. Now these are pretty affordable cases. You're looking under 15 bucks, clean looking. You got a little lip there for your camera, outside protection here, which is good. The buttons, you have that design there where it's black with the blue. Power button, easy to push, volume up and down, very simple. There's your cutouts there for your USB-C, also your speakers. You have your microphone there. Nothing on this side, super slim and trim. Now as far as your lip protection, it's got some decent lip protection, so you're going to be able to. The other thing I like to see too is sometimes when you're going into an app, can you actually go back and forth with your gestures? So if you go like that, yeah, you can go back and forth, so that's pretty good. And this is the blue. So if we go here, and yeah, that's a navy blue. So next one we're going to check out is the red. And these are about 15 bucks, depending on when you get it. This is El Rojo. So a lot of people like red. So we're gonna check these out. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this off. Pretty easy to pop off. Just kind of brace it off with your finger there. Put this on. Could probably, I like to take it out of the dual guard. A lot cleaner when you put it on. Put the volume buttons in first, and I will leave links to these cases down below. You guys can pick this up. So you get like that black and red kind of look. If you're into the Rojo, it's a nice looking case. I'm not a big fan of red, but this is nice. If you like red, it's a nice looking case. I do like this color here. This is like a gray, I believe. What are they calling this one? Slate. So we're gonna go ahead and try out the Slate, which is a very popular color these days with Nardo gray. That's the color of my car. And then you have, you had the natural iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. You got the gray or silver. Oh, no, I don't want to put this back. Silver Pixel 8. So put this in here. Put this in here. This probably is going to look good with the black and the gray. Those colors go good together. So, but it's a nice case. I mean, not gonna lie, I think I like the blue one the best. And yeah, this is definitely a win if you're looking for a nice protective case, good price, good company, solid company. They make cases for the Pixel 8 Pro, the iPhone series, which is the 15, the 14, you name it. They make a lot of different cases. Great company, up and coming company, and I like them a lot. So it's got a great design. So good looking case, has a good look on it. So yeah, check it out. Crave dual guard case, compact design, great grip, shock absorption, wireless charging compatible, so you'll be good to go. And you got those easy click side keys right there for your volume up and down. you name it. That's gonna do it. I'm Android Stud. You're watching YouTube.